k nearest neighbor algorithm in machine learning? See, first definition. See, this is the one of the basic classification algorithm in machine learning. Why we call classification means depend upon the given training data samples, we have to classify. So we call it as a classification algorithms in machine learning. So where we can real time applied. So what is the real time application means we can use it in intrusion detection, pattern recognition, and some data mining. These are some real time example I displayed in this PPT. So next, so what is the another name of k nearest neighbor algorithm? Is sometimes called as a lazy learner. Why we call it as a lazy learner means they take the predicted data only from nearest neighbor algorithms only. That means nearest neighbor data is only. So sometimes called as a lazy learner. Why we another term we mentioned because we can give the some training data. So that is called as also lazy learning. The another thing, what is k? That is k. There is nothing. It's a boundary value. That means we give some integer value. We set the some threshold. For example, if k equal to 1, k equal to 2, k equal to 3, whatever depend upon the training data sets, we can give some threshold value. That means boundary value. So that is the k. So next slide we discuss about the calculate the distance. So for example, there are lump sum training data sets there. So how we calculate the distance? So in KNN we applied Euclidean distance formula. So what is the Euclidean distance formula here? That means d of x comma y equal to square root summation of x minus y whole square. What is d? D is nothing but here distance, x comma y is some this means variables. So that's all. So let's see the example. See in this example, so in this slide they given some, for example, tissue paper. Depend upon the tissue paper we send to the some laboratory, whether it's good or bad we have to check that. So that is our ultimate aim. So these are the given name, type 1 to type 4 is there, acid durability they given, strength is given, class is given. So in this laboratory we can take two boundary values, x1 equal to 3, x2 equal to 7. So what is the question is we can we guess the classification of this new tissue. So this is our ultimate aim. So now we go to solution. In this solution, very first method is calculate the Euclidean distance formula. Okay, calculate the Euclidean distance formula. Here as usual the given name, acid durability, strength, class we derived. Finally we can calculate the distance. How we calculate the distance? We apply the Euclidean distance formula. What is the Euclidean distance formula? Square root mentioned, square root x minus y whole square. That is our formula. Here see in this acid durability they give values there, strength is there. Initially they mention x1 equal to 3, x2 equal to 7. So we apply square root of 7 we can take some acid durability, minus here we can take 3, so whole square, again plus strength value 7 minus y value, that means here x2 value, take 7. So 7 minus 7 whole square 0, we omit that. Here 7 minus 3 4 whole square 16. So square root of 16 equal to 4. We got that. Similarly we can do, see 7 here square root of 7 minus again 3 will come. So 7 minus 3 4 whole square 16, again plus here 4, here 4 minus 7 whole square, 4 minus 7 means 3 whole square 9. So 16 plus 9 25, square root of 25 5. Similarly we can do all the things similarly. So we can depend upon this one. So distance we find, first one distance 4, second one 5. Similarly depend upon another is 3, this one 3.6. So depend upon this distance which one is minimum, that means very nearest value 3. So we assign rank 1. Next nearest value 3.62. Next nearest value is 4. We can assign 3. Next is 4. So depend upon distance I assumed here rank. That means scrutinize the rank with attributes. Next thing we assigned the k value. For example, if k equal to 3, what will happen? So we take the nearest values only. So first thing, what is the nearest 3 is there, next 3.6 in the 4. So the k equal to 3. So that's why I highlighted here yellow color, 3 values we can take. Okay, understand? So depend upon this one. So how many good is that? 2 good value, 1 bad value. So based on 3 neighbors, 2 goods and 1 bad. So majority is obviously good. So 2 good and 1 bad. So 2 is the majority. So we conclude the newspaper tissues that pass the laboratory test, that which given x1 equal to 3, x2 equal to 7. So is included, it's a very good category.